Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to interpolate your FPS from 24 to 60 or 120 FPS in After Effects only. Today's video is sponsored by Wondershare UniConverter. This is really amazing software. You can see we have a lot of AI tools here. We can also enhance our video in it, which is really great. We have few AI models here. First, I'm going to use the video enhancement. You can check the preview here. And from the last time, the preview is much better than before. I really like this update. You can see the quality is really nice and crisp. You can see the difference. Just amazing. I really love it. Also, we can interpolate our FPS with a frame interpolation and make our video very smooth. Just like this. You can see the difference here side by side, which is amazing stuff. Also, you can compress your videos to the minimum size as possible with the help of this basic compressor, which is super helpful and doesn't compress or ruin your quality. This is the final results with the help of UniConverter, so make sure to download it. Okay, back to the video. Here I have set my composition. Now let's cut the clip where the scene changes. Now let's pre-compose all. After that, go inside this clip and select all the clips and frame blending them, and also enable the motion blur, and then add the Twixtor plugin, the Twixtor Pro. And here you need to guys copy my settings just like this. Copy these and apply this, and copy this effect and paste it on all scenes. After that, go to the outer composition and change your FPS to the 60, and now you can see our video is pure 60 FPS, which is really smooth without any help of other software. Here you can see the before, this is a 24 FPS, but if you go outer side, you can see that it's 60 FPS. But you can see we have a little bit glitch here on the scene changing. To fix that, all you have to do is go inside the pre-composed clip and cut the one frame on the each scenes and disable the frame blending on them, and also remove the texture on them on one frame each, just like this. Do this to other clips also. Move the effects on them, and now let's check the preview. You can see there are no many glitches left. It's completely pure now, and we don't have any glitches, which is perfect. Also, if you want to interpolate on 120 FPS, just change the FPS to 120 and it's done. Now our video is at 120 FPS, which is hyper smooth and super buttery. I hope you guys like the video, and make sure to subscribe my channel and also download the UniConverter. Thank you.